this. I never set out to be this. Each bad decision, now I'm trapped. You see a ghost, a shadow of the man I used to be. I had dreams, a quiet life, a clean slate. In the field, it just kept getting higher until there was only one way out, one final gamble. This isn't who I am. This is just the last step, the last sacrifice, one last score. This isn't about greed, it's about survival. It's a final chance. After this, it's over. A new beginning. Or a permanent end. My name is Xander, and this is how it ends. Or does it finally